Join me as I dive into the easiest money-making method online for beginners and see if I can actually make a profit. Making money online is not only possible, but it's also more accessible than ever, especially for beginners. You don't need to be a tech-savvy individual or have a huge following to get started. With the right strategy and mindset, you can start generating a decent income from the comfort of your own home. One of the biggest misconceptions about making money online is that it's a get-rich-quick scheme. Many people think that they can simply set up a website or social media account and instantly start raking in the cash. Unfortunately, that's not how it works. Building a successful online business takes time, effort, and patience. It's not a magic pill that will solve all your financial problems overnight. Another challenge beginners face is the overwhelming amount of information available online. There are so many different methods and strategies out there that it can be difficult to know where to start. Should you focus on affiliate marketing, drop shipping, or creating your own products? The options are endless, and it's easy to get caught up in analysis paralysis. Many online gurus also make it seem like you need to be an expert in every area of online marketing to be successful. They'll try to sell you on their latest course or software, promising that it's the secret to making millions online. But the truth is, you don't need to be an expert in everything. You just need to find one thing that works and stick to it. So, what's the simplest and most legitimate way to make money online as a beginner? In my opinion, it's affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission on each sale made through your unique referral link. It's a win-win situation for both you and the product creator. To get started with affiliate marketing, you'll need to choose a niche that you're passionate about and has a large audience. Once you've chosen your niche, you can start researching affiliate programs that offer products in that niche. There are many programs out there, such as Amazon Associates, Cherry Sale, and ClickBank, to name a few. Next, you'll need to create a website or social media account to promote your products. Don't worry if you're not tech savvy. You can use website builders like Wix or Squarespace to create a professional looking website in no time. And if you're not comfortable with creating content, you can outsource it to freelancers or use pre-made templates. One of the most important things to remember when it comes to affiliate marketing is to be authentic and transparent with your audience. People can smell a fake from a mile away, so make sure you're promoting products that you truly believe in and would use yourself. I recently stumbled upon a success story of someone who went from making $0 online to earning a 5-figure income in. Join me as I challenge myself to invest just $5 a day for a whole year and see how much I can actually make from it. Investing just $5 a day for a year may seem like a tiny amount, but I want to show you how this simple strategy can be impactful and lead to surprising results. Many people think that investing requires a lot of money, and that's exactly why they hesitate to start. They believe they need a lump sum of thousands of dollars to get started, or that investing is only for the wealthy. I've spoken to friends who assume that investing is super complicated and that they need to be financial experts to do it. Others think that they're too young or too old to start investing, or that it's just not the right time. The truth is, investing is often intimidating because people don't understand it, and that fear holds them back from getting started. They think that investing is only for the pros, and that they're not qualified or knowledgeable enough to do it themselves. And because of these misconceptions, they miss out on the potential for their money to grow over time. Another common misconception is that investing requires a lot of effort and time. People assume that they need to spend hours researching stocks, monitoring the market, and making trades. They think that investing is a part-time job and that it's not worth the hassle. But the reality is, investing can be as simple as setting up an automatic transfer from your bank account to an investment platform. The key is to start small and be consistent, and that's exactly what I did. Over the past year, I've been investing $5 a day through a popular investment platform. I chose a mix of low-cost index funds and dividend-paying stocks, with the goal of generating steady returns over the long term. My thought process was simple. I wanted to invest in companies that have a history of paying consistent dividends and that have a strong track record of growth. I didn't try to time the market or pick individual winners. Instead, I opted for a diversified portfolio that would ride the waves of market fluctuations. I didn't overthink it, and I didn't try to be a stock expert. I simply set up an automatic transfer and let the power of compounding do its magic. And the result is nothing short of astonishing. After 1 year, my total investment of $1,825 has grown to a whopping $2,341. I know it's not a life-changing amount, but what's remarkable is that it's nearly 28% more than what I initially invested. And the best part is, I didn't have to do much of anything to get there. The power of compounding is truly incredible, and it's a testament to the fact that small, consistent investments can lead to significant outcomes over time. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about playing the long game and letting your money work for you. So, to recap, the key takeaway from this experiment is that investing doesn't have to be complicated or intimidating. You don't need a lot of money to get started. Just a few months using affiliate marketing. What struck me was that this person didn't have any prior experience or a huge following. They simply focused on providing value to their audience and promoting high-quality products that solved a problem. One powerful tip that I learned from this success story is the importance of building an email list. An email list allows you to build a relationship with your audience, promote products to them, and earn commissions on autopilot. It's a game changer for any online business. In summary, making money online is not rocket science, but it does require effort and patience. By focusing on a simple and legitimate method like affiliate marketing, you can start generating a decent income from the comfort of your own home. Join me as I take on the challenge of making $10,000 a month in 2025 by following this specific route. Making $10,000 a month in 2025 might seem like a lofty goal, but trust me, it's achievable, and I'm about to show you how. With the right strategy and mindset, you can transform your financial situation and live the life you've always dreamed of. Imagine having the freedom to pursue your passions, travel the world, or simply enjoy financial security. It's all within reach, and I'm excited to share this journey with you. We've all been there, stuck in a cycle of barely making ends meet, living paycheck to paycheck, or feeling like we're not reaching our full earning potential. You might be thinking, I work hard, but I still can't seem to get ahead. The truth is, most people struggle to achieve substantial monthly income because they're limited by their traditional 9-to-5 job, lack of passive income streams, or simply don't know where to start. Many of us feel like we're not in control of our financial situation, and it's frustrating. We see others succeeding, and we wonder, what's their secret? Meanwhile, we're stuck in a rut, feeling like we're not making progress. It's time to break free from these limitations and explore new paths to financial freedom. The reality is, most people are not taught how to manage their finances effectively, invest wisely, or create multiple income streams. We're often left to figure it out on our own, which can be overwhelming. But what if I told you there's a way to change that? There are many methods to achieve a substantial monthly income, such as side hustles, investments, and leveraging digital platforms. For instance, you could start a blog, create and sell online courses, or invest in real estate. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is anyone can do it. According to a recent report, over 70% of online entrepreneurs achieve financial freedom within the first 5 years of starting their business. Another option is investing in dividend-paying stocks, which can provide a steady stream of passive income. Or you could leverage popular platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Twitch to build an audience and monetize your content. The key is to find what works for you and commit to it. However, I want to share with you a specific route that stands out as the most effective way to reach the $10,000 monthly goal. This route has been proven time and time again, and I'm excited to dive deeper into it. It's a strategy that combines the power of online marketing, automation, and high-demand services. This route has the potential to generate a steady flow of income, giving you the freedom to pursue your passions and live life on your own terms. What makes this route so effective is its ability to scale quickly and efficiently. By leveraging digital platforms and automation tools, you can minimize your workload while maximizing your income. Plus, this route is highly adaptable, allowing you to pivot quickly in response to changes in the market. In a nutshell, this route is all about creating a system that generates consistent income regardless of the economy or your current situation. It's a game changer, and I'm excited to share more about it in future videos. To recap, making $10,000 a month in 2025 is achievable, but it requires the right mindset and strategy. We've explored the challenges people face, discussed various methods to achieve financial freedom, and revealed a specific route that stands out as the most effective way to reach our goal. Remember, financial independence is within reach, and it's time to take action. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What are your thoughts on the strategy? Do you have any questions or experiences you'd like to share? Let me know, and don't forget to tune into my next video for more tips on financial success.